How to add phone number to Facebook. A phone number is a way for you to log into your Facebook account. So this is an essential thing to add to your Facebook account. Now, in order for you to add a phone number or contact information to Facebook, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on this settings icon right here. After that, you just have to tap on this account center right here and scroll down until you reach personal details. So you just have to click on that and you will be able to see every contact info, birthdays, and identity that you have. This information is what Meta uses in order to verify the identity of the account owner. So you just have to tap on this account info right here and now you can manage your contact information. Now, in order for you to add another phone number to your Facebook account, all you have to do is tap on this add new account right here and click on add mobile number. So you just have to tap your mobile number here and after that you just have to hit on next. So that's how to add phone number to Facebook. Hope we help.